Hi Bella, my client told me about a project where they need to light up the exterior of the building. They will put poles on the fence. The total length of fence is about 600 meters. The poles will be 5 meters high, and each LED floodlight should be 200 wattages.
No problem, Cici. Our floodlights can meet all these parameters.
Awesome! My client also wants to add a sensor to our floodlight. Can we achieve that?
Sure, the sensors like PIR, microwave, photocell are popular choices, and there are different ways to install them.
Can I attach it to the front of our floodlight?
Yes, but remember, the PIR sensor shouldn't be too close to the LED chips.
I get it. The PIR sensor detects objects based on temperature changes, and if it's too close to the LED chips that get hot, it won't work as well.
Exactly, it's not the best solution. It could be an issue when we adjust the angle to more than 100 degrees because the included angle will be large, and the PIR or microwave sensor might struggle to detect movement right below the fixture. If we want to realize the best detection effect, the PIR and microwave sensor's position is usually horizontal to the ground or with a small included angle.
I see. How can we install a sensor while keeping the floodlight looking good?
Well, AGC has 3 options here. Firstly, we can add them on the bottom of the fixture, similar to our FL42 model. And secondly, we can increase them on the side of the fixture. And thirdly, if there are enough chambers available, we can add them on the back of the housing or the front of the floodlight, but only for photocell sensor.
Great! For budget-conscious customers, compact LED floodlight with first and second solution are good choices.
Yes, and all AGC floodlights can use external NEMA or Zaga sockets for mounting the sensor.
In general, when you're installing a sensor, you must consider the structure of the floodlight, as well as the impact of different installation positions on the sensor effect.
For sure, and don't forget to ensure the best waterproofing for your fittings.
Yes, waterproofing is always important. So if you have any special requirements for floodlight projects, we AGC team will be here to help you. Please feel free to contact us. Bye!